Hello, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I want to say a big thank you to all my new subscribers, my returning subscribers, all those of you that have been engaging with my videos. Thanks a lot. May God bless you guys. You guys are awesome. It is my earnest prayer that God grants you your heart desires. I really desire to see those testimony coming, your admissions, your scholarships, your partial scholarships, and your relocating abroad. My name is Felix, and on this channel, I talk about opportunities abroad via work and study. I talk about fully funded scholarship, partial scholarship, cheap universities, and affordable countries for those that are seeking countries that are budget friendly. So, if topics like this interest you, you want to click on the subscribe button and join the family. Thank you for doing so. It's simple and it's free. Today again, I bring to us an exciting opportunity. In fact, when I came across this particular school, I was like, wow, if I had opportunity for someone like me anyway, this is the kind of school I would have preferred to study. Maybe because of my personal interest and because of some of the things I do. Uh, in this school, there are no teachers. Yes, you heard me clearly. There are no teachers, there are no lecturers. Your study is basically based on peer review. Yes, you heard me correctly. You don't need a degree certificate. So this particular school is 100% concerned about you developing skills and talents that will make you marketable. And trust me, the skills you are gaining in this particular school are the top ICT skills. They are among the top ICT skills that are most sought after. And I am in ICT. Yes, I am a programmer. I'm a data scientist, more of a data scientist presently, and I it's just the offer is just so wonderful. Trust me, you don't need a degree, you don't need a qualification to apply. All you need to do is just to have interest and have some level of ICT skills. So don't panic if you don't have levels of ICT skills. Of course, you can always develop yourself even before you submit your application. You can start learning now. You can know the basics. Programming is not difficult. I don't know. We have this mentality about programming. The truth is, it is not difficult. I mean it, and it only requires you to commit your time. So, without wasting much of our time, I'll take us through the application process. And if you're interested, I strongly encourage you to submit your application. And who knows, the major one of the major reasons why we want to relocate after all is obtaining skills, obtaining knowledge, of course, and possibility of obtaining a PR. And one of the best way one can actually do that is having skills that will make you marketable. Yes. So please don't forget that skills that will make you marketable. And this is one big opportunity. So it's worth the trial, it's worth the time for you to develop yourself. Okay, so without wasting much of your time any further, I will go directly to the process. So, the name of the school is 42 Vienna. Yes. So once you click on open your Google, type 42 Vienna, the first link by Google, I'll be opening that, and this is it. This is the homepage of the university. Here it says 42 is an international renowned programming school which uses the revolutionary approach of peer learning with no degree requirements. So you don't need a degree to apply to this school. It targets anyone above 18 years old with an ICT talent. So are you talented in ICT and you are above 18? That's all you need. 42 is a school with no teachers, no lecture, or no lecture, yes, no lecturers, no fees. So you don't pay anything. Only 100% coding. Yes, only 100% coding. If If I could turn back the hands of time, I would have applied to this school and be here. Yes, 100% coding. You will improve in coding in no time. Trust me. Yes. So uh, by right here, you see the selection boot camp by 3rd of June to 28th of June 2024. You can apply. You can also apply by 8th of July to 2nd of August 2024, and your study starts by 2nd of September 2024. So, what are the application process? Let's scroll down. Firstly, how to apply. To join 42 Vienna, a student to join 42 Vienna as a student, there are three important steps in the admission process. One, you have to play an online logic game, and the duration of this online logic game is 2 hours. They say play two logic games that show us if you are eligible for becoming a 42 student. So you have to play this game first, and the duration is 2 hours. I think if you read further, the recommendation is that you do it on a PC and not on your mobile phone. Introduction meeting. So meeting online or on campus where we explain the program in detail. So here you have opportunity to ask your questions and answers will be provided. Then thereafter, you have a 4 week selection boot camp where you learn to code entirely from scratch. So that's why I said for me, one of the major thing here is your interest. The here you learn to code entirely from scratch. And that, trust me, one of the thing that makes coding difficult for people to learn is because there are so many resources out there. There are many resources on YouTube, and you just go to programming, and the first thing you get frustrated because you don't know how to start it. That's the major problem with programming that makes it look confusing and difficult. It's because most people practicing programming do not know where to start. Programming is so wild, there are lots of things you can do with it, and people do not know where to focus. For instance, that was the problem I had when I started. I started from standalone program. I later went to what do you call it, designing web-based application, which I still do a little before I finally chose to focus on data science and machine learning. So there are lots of things you can do, and these are the things that makes programming a little bit confusing. This school is going to clear your doubt because they will teach you from scratch. So you want to apply, please take your time to read more about the admission. This school is located in Austria, and they are giving you reasons why you should come to Austria. So you scroll down. If you want to submit an application, just scroll down until you come to this purple the place where you have this apply now. I want to right click that, open in a new link, new tab. It brings you to the apply now button. So here you are on the apply now. Scroll down, and it tells you what to do. So the first thing you want to do is to enter your email password, confirm your password, check on this box that I have read and understood and accepted the information on the platform. Yes. So guys, I wish you best of luck as you submit your application. Thank you very much, and God bless you.